how to refund games on Steam. You want to go search for Steam and open up the website. Make sure you are signed into your account and then click on the support button here, the last button. So just click on support. You will find your games here. So click on the game you want to refund. And then what problem are you having with this product? You can choose whichever is accurate for you. How do it's not what I expected. And here you will see I'd like to request a refund. Now it's going to show you if you're eligible for a refund if you have less than 2 hours of game time. And here you gotta choose a reason. So I'm just gonna do, let's just say it's not fun. Any notes which you may add, and I'll just submit a request. So just like that, I have submitted a request. And if my request gets approved, I will receive my refund. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.